Imagine a school where learning extends beyond the classroom, where students experience history, science, technology, engineering, the arts, and math in a way that truly sticks in their memory. Alter Learning's educational games boost retention and critical thinking, letting students explore space and conduct science experiments in Celestial. Travel through time to uncover history within ancient civilizations in echoes of history, and engage in STEAM problem-solving through immersive experiences. Back in the 1930s, John Dewey observed that learning through experience enhances memory. Modern research confirms that experiential learning fosters recall and engagement by promoting active participation, multi-sensory involvement, emotional connections, and problem-solving, equipping students with critical thinking skills for lasting success. Deans and educators, you have the power to elevate learning. Let's integrate gamified learning experiences that are engaging, immersive, and impactful for today's students with STEAM and Alter Learning.